Hi guys, I'm going to show you how to draw your name on the domino box. As you can see, we have a name here already, but I'm going to show you how to add your name. First, you want to come over here to the left side where it says Cut Extrude To. You want to right click, and then you're going to click Edit Sketch. Once you have that, you're going to double click on the name. A bar comes up on the left side. You want to write your name in the empty box where it says text. Once you have your name, you want to come down here where it says font, and you can pick whichever font you'd like on your domino box. I'm going to pick Comic Sans, and you want to make sure that the height is 72. Then click OK. Once you have that, you want to click the green check mark on the top left. Then you want to left click on the mouse and drag your name to a location where it best centers your piece. So you want to make sure that it's pretty even in the middle, not over to the side or the bottom. If you wish to and you want it in that location, you can. But I think centering your name will definitely make it look good. Once you have it in a good location that you like, you can then come up here, click this button, and your name is complete. Once your name is complete, you want to go up to where it says File, and you're going to click on Save As. Once this box comes up, you're going to delete the previous name and add your name. Then you're going to click on Save As Type, and you're going to click on STL. Then you want to click Save, click Yes, click Yes again, and now your file is saved and ready to be uploaded onto the 3D printer.